talk about water. Hi, I'm Cheryl Duffy, Director at Rainbow Academy. We're celebrating World Water Day. How many of you have ever seen a rainbow? I have, after it stopped raining. Let's see if we can do an experiment with water to help us create our own rainbow. I have glasses here, some with water and some are empty. There is no water. But you might need to ask for adult help with this experiment because we're going to be using food coloring. So what I'm going to do is take some blue food coloring and put it in our first cup. Then I'm going to take some yellow food coloring and put it in our second cup, the cup that has water in it. Then I'm going to take red food coloring and put it in the next cup that has water in it. And then I'm going to end with my blue food coloring down here in the last cup that has water in it. So, how are we going to make a rainbow? Here is the really fun part. We're going to take paper towels and I'm going to put one end of the paper towel in a color and the other end is going to go into the cup that doesn't have anything in it. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll put it in the blue and we'll put it in the cup that has nothing. And we'll put it in the yellow and the other end in the cup that doesn't have anything in it. And we'll put a paper towel in the yellow again and in the cup that doesn't have anything in it. And we'll put this paper towel in the red and in the cup that doesn't have anything in it. And we're going, whoops. And then we're going to put this paper towel in the red and in the cup that doesn't have anything in it. And my very last one, I'm going to put in the blue and the other end in the cup that doesn't have anything in it. So how is this going to make a rainbow for us? Well, we're going to take some time to find out. So I will be right back. Hi, boys and girls. Let's see how our experiment went. Did the water help us to create a rainbow? My blue water and my yellow water mixed together to make green. My yellow water and my red water mixed together to make orange. And my red water and my blue water mixed together to make purple. So now we have all the colors of the rainbow. So the water helped us to make a rainbow. That was such a fun experiment. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed all our fun time together learning as we explored World Water Day. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.